Cancer is predicted to become the leading cause of death in every country of the world by the end of this century. According to research, certain foods have an important influence on the risk of developing certain types of cancer, including cancers of the digestive tract. So, in this video we are going to look at some of the well-known cancer-causing foods. Number 1. Processed meat and unprocessed red meat. Processed meat is any type of meat that has been preserved by smoking, salting, curing, or canning. Hot dogs, salami, sausages, ham, corned beef, and beef jerky are some examples for processed meats. Smoking and cooking meat at high temperatures can generate carcinogenic compounds. In addition, curing meat with nitrates can form carcinogens called nitroso compounds. Moreover, processed and unprocessed red meat also contain heme iron, which has a cytotoxic effect on the gut. The two most common cancers associated with the consumption of processed meat are the colorectal and breast cancer. Number 2. Alcohol. Alcohol consumption is associated with an increased risk of cirrhosis, which can lead to liver cancer. Alcohol is broken down into acetaldehyde by the liver. Acetaldehyde is a carcinogenic compound which promotes DNA damage and oxidative stress. It also impairs the immune function, which makes it difficult for the body to fight against cancer cells. Esophageal cancer and estrogen receptor-positive breast cancer are associated with increased alcohol consumption. Number 3. Very hot beverages. Consumption of very hot drinks such as tea, chocolate, and coffee is associated with the development of esophageal cancer. Number 4. Salt-preserved food. Eating large amounts of salted foods, such as salt-preserved fish, is associated with an increased risk of stomach cancer. It is thought to be caused by the salt itself or by carcinogens derived from the nitrates in many preserved foods. Salted foods also increase the risk of Helicobacter pylori infection, which is the most common cause of chronic gastritis. Infection with Helicobacter pylori also increases the risk of developing stomach cancer. Number 5. Fried foods. When starchy foods are cooked at high temperatures, a compound called acrylamide is formed. Some of these foods include fried potato products like French fries and potato chips. Research indicates that acrylamide is a highly carcinogenic compound, which induces DNA damage and cell death. Eating a lot of fried foods also increases the risk of type 2 diabetes and obesity. These conditions can promote oxidative stress and inflammation, further increasing the risk of cancer.